Yo, it's gonna be some classics. Just vibe with me. First time I heard the beat. Oh, what a day, riding in my Bentley with the top off, none of that kush, chilling like a villain. I'm taking all y'all dough, getting it by the millions. What you know about that? We chilling on the island, bad chicks, bikinis, fixing me mojitos. I'm chilling. What you know about the villa? I got 10. What you know about apartments? What you know about the villa? I got 10. What you know about apartments? Getting stupid dough. It's flowing in like Niagara. I get it by the millions. We pumping this fluid through your veins and we chilling. Getting money and it's good feeling. And we getting this dough. And we blowing the smoke. We doing whatever, we chillin', the beautiful weather, it gets better. Got that dig, what I did, it's been what I did. I see what I did, it's been getting millions. What I did, it's been, we counting dough, counting Skrilla, it gets realer. Yacht chilling right next to the villa, airplane in the water, just in case I wanna go to another harbor. It gets better. I got a helicopter with a boat parked in the middle of the sea that I visit when I wanna go remote, nigga. And the satellite beams down on my ship and powers the whole thing by solar. We chillin' so villa, you know what it do with a bad chick ready to get realer than you ever seen a chick go. They super nasty over here, you don't know nothing about them Costa Rican hoes, huh? It's Lil Greg. And yeah, I'm chillin'. It's another day trying to collect these millions. It gets realer. Been another day in the game just trying to collect millions. What I did, what a day, nigga. It's Lil Greg. 901-288-6888. Just giving you a peek into my vision.